Hey everyone, so I have this Nintendo that just flashes on and off. Typical problem with a Nintendo. It's based on corrosion and kind of wear and tear. So what I've done here, I've opened the Nintendo up. This is the main board. It's literally what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, about 20 screws. Take it apart nice and simple. So what I did here is I cleaned the gold pins over here on both sides. You can use rubbing alcohol, or what I like to do is actually sand it a little bit, and that helps. But the main problem is this guy here, which is the 72 pin connector. So you can find these pretty much anywhere for about 10 to 20 bucks. The tricky thing about these is to find a good supplier. All sorts of people are selling them, but I find that the quality varies. Obviously, I guess it depends on where they're coming from. Most of this stuff is coming from China, so it depends on your supplier in China. But if you're in a jam, what you can do is kind of, let me see if I can get a good picture here. There you go. So these guys here, kind of bend them upwards. It's kind of hard to show you guys. I'll try my best, but you kind of need a really tiny flathead screwdriver. Let me try to, I can't focus for some reason. Wow, for some reason I can't focus this. That kind of sucks. But it is a flathead screwdriver, a tiny one, that I used to open up small items like phones or handheld consoles. So what you need to do, I really can't get this to zoom properly. There you go. That's a lot better. So pretty much you kind of have to go under and slightly lift, and when you're doing this, you kind of have to be careful not to bend it to the point where it kind of shifts and starts pointing this way. You have to lift it and have it point straight. So you do that with all the connectors here, and it should give you a tighter grip on the console and better contact. Obviously, if you can also clean in here, because they also get corrosion in here, dirt and whatnot. So I'm gonna do this right now, and then I'll put it all together and show you guys how the Nintendo works a lot better. And like I said, this is I guess depending on how good of a job you do, this could be a temporary fix. In case, for example, you can't go out right away, you want to play a specific game right then and there. You know, this is a quick, easy, temporary fix. The best way to do is find a good 72 pin connector to replace it, to replace this older one. So I'll do that, put everything together, and show you guys how it works pretty well. Hey guys, so like you can see, I was able to make it work. Everything looks great. Has sound. You can't hear the sound now because it's playing the demo. but it works. It's only a temporary fix. Like I said, I definitely need to get another one. But if you guys are in a pinch, that's the way to do it. Just bend those pins back up. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.